Is your Windows 11 not activating after reset, clean install, or update? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your Windows 11 or 10 won't activate after a reset, clean install, or update, one of the suggestions in this video should help you activate Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your product key. Ensure you activate the Windows 11 operating system using the right product key. You can follow this guide for this. Check where you have saved the license key to confirm that you are using the right key to activate your Windows license. You can follow this link to view your Windows license key via the command prompt. In most modern computers, the product key is injected into the computer motherboard at the factory. Therefore, you can run the required command to view the product key and see if the command prompt window displays the same. If it works, you will know the right product key. Open the command prompt using Windows Search. Choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Copy and paste this command from the description in the elevated command prompt. Now, this should show you the license key. Method 2. Run the activation troubleshooter. Running the activation troubleshooter can help fix this issue. However, this activation troubleshooter only appears when your Windows 11 won't activate. You can follow these steps. Open Windows 11 settings using the search menu. Go to System, then Activation. Expand the activation state. If the activation state is not active, you will see the Troubleshoot button there. Click on the Troubleshoot button to launch the activation troubleshooter. After running the troubleshooter, see if the problem is fixed. You can also follow this link to know about the activation troubleshooter in detail. Method 3. Rebuild the tokens.dat file. The tokens.dat file in the Windows operating system is a digitally signed file that stores most of the Windows activation files. Sometimes, the tokens.dat file may get corrupted, causing Windows activation not to occur successfully. Follow this guide to rebuild the tokens.dat file and then try to activate Windows again. Method 4. Uninstall Windows product key. Open an elevated command prompt window to view the licensing status and activation ID. Then copy and paste this command in the CMD window and press Enter. You will see a Windows script host window open up giving you details about your Windows licensing and activation status. Here, look for activation ID and note it down. Now in the command prompt window, execute this command. Here, UPK stands for Uninstall Product Key. After uninstalling the product key, change your Windows key and see if the OS activates. You may do this via Windows settings or using this command. Here, IPK stands for Install Product Key. You can also follow this link to change the Windows key and this link to view the licensing status and activation ID. Method 5. Activate via phone. Try activating Windows via phone. To activate Windows 11 or 10 by phone, press Windows plus R to copy the Run utility. Copy and paste slui.exe4 in the Run command box and press Enter. This should activate your Windows via the telephone. Follow the instructions once the wizard opens to finish the process. You can also follow this link to learn in detail. Method 6. Uninstall the Windows update. If Windows got deactivated after installing an update, you can uninstall the Windows update following this guide and see if it works. If that doesn't help, follow this link to perform system restore and see if that helps. Method 7. Contact Microsoft support. if your Windows 11 still won't activate, you can use the built-in Contact Support app to contact Microsoft Support. This list of Windows activation and upgrade and installation errors may help you troubleshoot the issue further. Advanced users may want to see how to troubleshoot Windows activation states. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.